Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will see a simple example of system module in Python. So first, we are going to import sys, import sys, and then we are going to print the system's platform by using print and passing in system dot platform. Sys.platform returns the current operating system. Then we are going to use a sys.version, which returns the interpreter version. So we're going to print sys.version. And now I'm going to print the encoding used by the file system by calling sys.getFileSystemEncoding. Print sys.getFileSystemEncoding. And now we are going to get the default encoding. Calling print sys.getDefault encoding. This returns the default encoding. And now we are going to use a sys.path, which returns a list of all the directories in which the interpreter searches for the module when we import directive if used. So I'm going to pass this to print again. Sys.add. And I'm just gonna save it and run our script. And here is the output of our script. The platform, system origin, file system encoding. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.